How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Let's get started. So, maybe you bought yourself an Amazon gift card or someone gave you one and now you want to add it to your account so you can start spending. To get started, open the app and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, you will be able to find your profile right over here. Tap onto it. And just like that, inside here, you will be able to find an option that says redeem gift card. Tap onto it. Now you will see your balance and your activity. Also, you will find a box that says enter the claim code. You can find the code by scratching off the back of your gift card, or it may be printed on the receipt or email depending on what type you received. Simply type in the claim code in the box and just like that, confirm it. After that, your Amazon gift card balance will be added to your account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.